You know, every day we get people asking us to help them with Monday.com. And being experts in Monday.com is what we do here at Enable. As one of the longest running UK partners, we've helped hundreds of clients build just the system that they need. And it all starts with a coffee. We're offering you one-on-one time with one of our consultants to help you with anything you need, really. Why scroll through endless forum posts when you can have one-on-one 30 minutes with an expert? Absolutely free. You can automate that, you know. So why not follow the link in this post and book a 30-minute session with us? Grab yourself a brew and let us do all the heavy lifting. What you got to lose? Consult and a coffee from enable.services. Or tea. Or whatever you drink, really, any hot drink. I'm drinking green tea. Do people drink green tea? Do they drink Bovril? Consult and a Bovril? We call it that? Doesn't sound as good, does it? People still drink Bovril?